Hey everybody, this is Donnie, and if you followed the video that was previous to this, it was about correcting your posture by rotating your elbow pits laterally or to the outside like this, and then opening up your chest in this area so you don't have that rounded effect. But some people still have the issue of a forward head lean. So to correct that, make sure you got your elbows in the proper place as was on the video yesterday. And then when you're doing that, watch what I'm doing with the forward head tilt. So now I'm standing straight, but I still got that forward head lean. We want to push our chin backwards. So we don't want to just tip our head back like this because that arches the lower back. We don't want to arch in the lumbar area. We want to keep that kind of straight as we're walking during the day with a slight curve, a natural curve, not overextended either way. So get the round shouldered out by rotating the elbow pits outward and make sure that they're pointing forward instead of being internally rotated. Bring them to here, facing forward, and the chin, draw it back right there. And you can see in my upper back the change in my thoracic spine. Incorporate that as, just a little bit during your day. Think about it every once in a while. Get yourself in that position, and this could help you with your posture and also alleviate any things like headache, neck pain, shoulder pain. A lot of that stuff is attributed to our posture. Coming up next with the ADX Club exercise for the day after this brief message.
ADX clubs and maces adjust to any user. You can't skip this ad because it's already over.
Hey everybody, it's Donnie from ADX Clubs, and today's exercise is going to be a double club exercise. You could do the single or with double. I like to do the doubles because it gets it over faster, and also it creates a balance in your body so you're not always working one side to the other. This is going to begin with a front strike transversed into a side strike on the drawdown. Got that right there? Bring the clubs back to the front position just like that. Over the shoulders, right near the ears. Try not to hollow out the lower back too much. Flare the elbows out. Draw down with the elbows so that the lats are engaged. You want to feel this in your lats. And bring your clubs down to the side. Bring it back one more time. The beginning of the front strike and the end of the side strike. You can see those videos in the ADX Club video collection for beginners and also in various other points on the channel. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got new videos coming out every once in a while, a little more than that. And ADX Clubs are a great way to stay in shape, keep your strength, and not beat yourself up. See you guys on the platform. Peace.